I found thousands of dollars in unclaimed money for my family and friends. And you may have unclaimed money too. What is up, Divas and Devos? It's your girl, Nikki, the Deal Finding Diva. Welcome back to my channel where I show you how to either make money or save money. And today we're gonna talk about unclaimed money. Money that you may have out there and not even know it. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how to go about getting it. Did you know in just the US alone, there is over $49.5 billion worth of unclaimed property out there. And sources for this unclaimed money can include life insurance policies, pension money, wages that you may have earned, businesses that have closed, even banks that have closed. And if you've had an FHA loan in the past, you may be owed money too, and from so many more sources. And you can claim money that is either in your name or you may be the beneficiary of some of this money in somebody else's name and you don't even know it. So you definitely don't want to miss this video. I'm giving you the scoop on how to get some good money. And I'm telling you, I found thousands for my family and friends. So although I'm based in the US, I actually have options for those of you in Canada and in the UK. So you don't want to miss this video because this is going to be helpful for a lot of you out there. Now, if you happen to claim a lot of money, make sure you cash at Pretty Nikki 320. So in this video, I will be spilling the tea on how you can claim unclaimed money out there. And all I ask in return is that you hit a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And we are going to get into how you can get your unclaimed money right after this. All right, Divas and Devos, so we're going to get right into it, and I'm going to tell you how you can get unclaimed money. So for this, we are going to dive into my computer, and I'm going to walk you through a couple of very helpful websites. So the first thing I suggest you do, if you are in the US, you would go to usa.gov, and it's /unclaimed-money. This is a great resource to find a bunch of money that's unclaimed from various sources. So we're going to get into that in just a second, but I just want to help the other people out in UK first. UK is something similar. Their website is gov.uk/unclaimed estates bona vacantia or something like that. So yeah, this is the website that you would go to. I'm going to link these all down below so it's easy for you to find. But yeah, this is where you would go, and this is who you would contact. You can make your claim, check to see if you're entitled and all that stuff. So it's all right here for you. Okay. So it's really easy. They have all the steps here for the people in the UK. Now, if you happen to be in Canada, it would be bankofcanada.ca/unclaimed-balances. So here, again, this is something similar. So you would go here and they have all the instructions that you need to find in order to claim the money. Okay, so all the instructions are on this website. So yeah, you can actually do it all right here, and they have different links and everything. So that's how you find that money in those countries. Now, since I'm in the US, I'm going to focus on the US. Okay, so here I'm on usa.gov/unclaimed-money. All right. And as you can see, there are varieties of ways to find the unclaimed money. So you can search for unclaimed money in your state. So that's from like bank accounts, insurance policies, or from the state government. So like if the state of Pennsylvania owed you tax money, that would be there. Okay, so you can find your state's unclaimed property office by clicking on the link, and it's really easy from there. So this is how I found a lot of money for people that I know. You can go to find and claim, and it would be right under here. You can click that, or it comes up really easily. So you can search for unclaimed property, and this is totally free. Let me let you all know you shouldn't be paying to find unclaimed property. Okay, so you can search the states, And right here, there's a map easily where you can find it. So again, I'm in Pennsylvania. So I'm just going to do a search, and I'm just going to do a generic search because I'm not going to put my people's business out there. Because like I said, I did find some money for friends and family. So I'm not going to put their information out there. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything for me because I always claim my money. But yeah, this is how you search the database. Again, you can find this for any state, and it's easy. You just type in the first name, middle, last. This is all optional, but you do either need to have a company name or the last name. So I'm going to put in Johnson. Okay. And from here, I'm just going to search Johnson and look at this. So right here is really easy. For example, if I am this person, okay, normally there's a first name. Matter of fact, let me find something a little better. Okay, so the ones in green, you have to show like extra proof, okay? Like there's paperwork for you to fill out. Now, the ones in white, they're a little easier to claim. And normally those are like under $100, but some of them can be over $100, like this one, okay? Now, this will help you narrow it down because you'll know, okay, this was my zip code. You know, they may not have the first name there, but all right, yeah, your zip code may be here, or the city that you've lived in. And you can narrow it down. As you saw on the previous page, you can put your city and everything in there to help narrow it down. But if you happen to have moved, or if you are like me and have changed your last name through marriage or whatever, then make sure you check various last names, make sure you check various cities. And yeah, you can go through here. And again, the ones in green, those require like a little bit more information. But I clicked on that, and this gives you a little bit more information. So you would know, okay, this may be me. You know, I did deal with AT&T. Okay. You know, so this was apparently a settlement, and that's how you can easily find that. Okay. Before we get out of here, let me explain to you. The gray highlights are those that are joint owners. So you might need somebody else's permission. So if you were married or something and you guys both had money in your name, you might need both people's permission. But this will also count if there's a person and in your family, for example, that is deceased and you're the next of kin, you can actually claim their money. Okay. So if your parent passed away, you may be able to claim their money. That would require proof. Okay. All right. So that is just one of the many ways that you can find money. So let me jump back over to, I'm actually going to go back to the unclaimed money website on USA.gov. And if you happen to have worked for an employer, this is all here. This is why I like this particular website, because they have a lot of this information all in one place. Okay. So yes, unpaid wages, you can search your Department of Labor's database. You can also search for your pension. If you had a former employer that you had a pension plan through, you can search through there. And also, if you're possibly the beneficiary of someone that had a pension and they're deceased, you may be able to claim that money. Okay. And if you're a veteran, if you're the beneficiary of a veteran, there may be a life insurance policy with money in it for you. So there's a variety of ways. As you can see, there's tax refunds here. For example, if you had a tax refund that you never got, they may owe you that refund money. Or a bank that closed, that would be here. A credit union that closed, that would be here. So there are a variety of ways. And I know when I was younger, my mom opened up savings bonds for us. So if you happen to have had savings bonds, those might be in here. So yeah, you can find those. And they even have a way to replace a lost or destroyed savings bond. Okay. More options include unclaimed money from bankruptcy. So if a company went out of business, they may owe you money. Or if the business is still open and they previously filed for bankruptcy, they have to list all the people they owe money to, and you may be somebody that was owed money to. There's also an option for international unclaimed money. I like that too, because this is for people that have money overseas. So if you're hiding money overseas and something might have happened to your money, that's where you would find that, okay? So yeah, there's a variety of ways. It seems like it's endless, okay? And I like to play around in this every once in a while and just throw names of my friends and family in the various search engines to find cash for them. I need to start charging them for this. What do y'all think? You know? But yeah, so there's a variety of ways. So I know a lot of people don't realize that there is money out there for them. So make sure you check your site that I referred you to, okay? So if you're here in the US, it's usa.gov, and also gov.uk if you're in the UK, and bankofcanada.ca if you're in Canada. All right, so make sure you check all of those websites and get your money. All right, Divas and Divos, it was as easy as that. Hopefully you found some money in your name. Now, I wasn't that lucky because I don't leave any stones unturned, so I wasn't able to find any money in my name, but I did find thousands of dollars for my family and friends. So again, I hope this video was helpful for you, and do me a favor, once again, hit that thumbs up button, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications if you are not yet a diva or devo, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.